Hi, I'm John Cousins from Calgary, Alberta. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me the maximum 15 amp Jobsite Table Saw. Let me show you a couple of features. Right here we have the on and off switch. So you flip it up to turn it on, and you have a nice big stop there. Easily accessible for hand, or you can use your knee if you're actually using the saw. It actually works rather well. Over here we have the height adjustment. You can see that of the blade itself. And right over here we have, turn that, sorry it's hard to do with one hand, I'm holding the phone. But yeah, you adjust your bevel that way and then locked in place nice and easily. Some of the more features here, we got measuring tape holder there, the wrenches for changing the blade stored right on the saw itself. Under here we have the pencil holder, so that's kind of neat. So this here, we have the fence, stand back a bit, the fence here, nice and easily adjustable. There's your lock there for locking your fence, and easily turnable up to 33 inches. And as the locks here, you can flip the fence down for your bigger cuts. As the folding legs, just hit the buttons here and the leg folds up. You have a leveler here, which is really nice. And yeah, the blade itself goes all the way up. Cuts just a little over 3 inches.